Hello guys, this is Tornado Right This End. Today I am going to show how to use background in your HTML and CSS website. Guys, one more thing, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and hit the like button to get more videos like this. So let's get started and let me show you which image I am going to show you as our background. This is the image and I have kept it in a folder that is called images. So let's get started. Now I am going to code and let's change it to background, and we have to link the style sheet. And one more thing, that is we have to take a div. That is everything for the index.html file. And now style.css, so we'll use a universal tag and we'll say padding will be 0, margin will be 0, and there will be a font family that is going to be this. And then we'll go to the first page. For the first page, this first page, so now we'll give it a height 100 bs and a width that will be 100%, and we'll give a background image, and we'll use the linear gradient, that is RGBA 2530 0.5, and again the same value RGBA 2530 0.5, and at last we'll use the URL, and our image is inside the image dot folder. Now we will go to the, now it has been looking like this. So what we have to say, background size, that will be cover, and one more thing, that is background repeat, that will be no repeat. That's it. Now you can see a beautiful background inside this HTML file. So now if you take anything on your site like h1, hey hello world, we have used a background, and you'll see now how it works. If we open it, now we have to give it some style. So for the h1 tag, we'll give color, that will be white, font size that will be 70 pixel, and you'll see there is a background and it is working. So everything now you use on your website, that will be over the background.